This video demonstrates Nuna's preferred installation method for the EXEC using the vehicle seatbelt. We use a seatbelt because it eliminates confusion when to switch from lower anchor belt to seatbelt, while at the same time fitting more vehicle makes and seating positions. To learn more about the alternative lower anchor belt installation, please refer to the EXEC's instruction manual. The EXEC may be used beginning at 5 pounds, and the infant insert should be removed once your child exceeds 11 pounds. Place the EXEC rear facing in a compatible seating position in your vehicle. Select the desired rear facing recline position located in the blue. Blue positions 1 through 4 are all acceptable positions. If the child's head falls forward, recline the EXEC a little more. Adjust the anti-rebound panel upwards to match the angle of your vehicle seat by pressing the buttons on the side of the panel. This can be adjusted in or out for additional legroom. Fully raise the head support, loosen and unbuckle the harness. And retain with the magnetic buckle holders on the side of the seat. And lift the center seat cover. Open the rear-facing true tension door. Route the vehicle belt through the blue rear-facing belt path and buckle the vehicle seat belt. The belt must be routed under the true tension door. You remove the slack from the lap belt portion by pulling the shoulder belt portion toward yourself. Close the true tension door. Lock the vehicle shoulder belt by pulling the belt all the way out of the retractor and let it go back in, and replace the seat cover. To check that the seat is securely installed, pull on the shoulder belt to ensure it's locked. Hold the seat near the rear-facing belt path and move side to side and front to back and up and down. The seat should move less than 1 inch in any direction. In the rear-facing mode, the child's shoulder harness should rest at or just below the shoulders. After removing all slack from the buckled harness, make sure you are not able to pinch any slack in the belt. Remove any slack by further tightening the harness at the adjustment strap.